Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make a really simple, beautiful pasta. We're doing farfalle pasta, but you can use anything you want, with zucchini and goat's cheese. It's very creamy, it's very delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's get started here. So I've got some zucchini here, or courgettes, or kusa, whatever you call them, cut into rounds. Here I've got some cream. Now I get lots of questions about this. I'm using a thick cream, or as in England we would say, a double cream. In America I think you call that heavy, but it doesn't matter if you use a thin cream or a thick cream. It won't make any difference, it's all going to work out the same. 1 onion cut nice and small. Here I've got my goat's cheese, 2 teaspoons of oregano, a tablespoon of garlic, and here I'm using some green olives. Of course, use black if you want. Let's get to the cooker. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, the first step is we're gonna get our zucchini cooked. So I've got some olive oil in there. We're simply gonna drop all of our zucchini in there. Some salt, some black pepper, high heat. Let's just fry these around for about 4 minutes or so. Okay, so nice little bit of colour on them. Out they come. Leave the oil in the pan. We've got some nice olive oil in there with some salt and pepper, and then we can move on. Okay, so we've got that nice seasoned oil there. We're on a much lower heat, just below a medium. We're going to drop in now that onion, our chopped garlic, and we're going to go for about 3 minutes or so, stirring all the time. Beautiful, those onions are just starting to take. Let's drop in those olives. Now I've kept mine whole, the stones in there. Take the stone out and chop them up if you like. We're now going to go for that little bit of dried oregano, or oregano as some of you call that. We're going to get the zucchini or courgette back in, and again another 3 minutes on this nice fairly gentle heat, and then we're ready to add our cream and our cheese. Incredible. Okay, let's drop in that cream, and like I say, thick or thin's not going to make any difference really. I often get lots of emails, what cream is that, blah 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 blah. I'm telling you now, thick or thin is all good. Now we're going to get our goat's cheese in. I'm just going to sort of crumble that in. I'm going to leave a little bit back for decoration on top, just a tiny amount just to sprinkle on the top. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not going to add any more salt. We put some salt in that oil when we were doing the zucchini, and the cheese, the goat's cheese, is very, very salty. Now get your pasta ready. I'm using the farfalle. You could be using a penne, spaghetti, just up to you, anyone you like really. So there goes my cooked pasta. And I'm now going to be going for about another 2 or 3 minutes, getting this sauce all over my lovely pasta. And we're done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. What I've done is I've just served that with a little bit of crumbled goat cheese on the top, tomato and fresh parsley. Something like basil would also work as well, wouldn't it? Hope you enjoy that, nice and easy, absolutely delicious. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, that does help us out a great deal. A thumbs up helps us out even more, and a comment because we'd like to know you're fine. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.